I know. I know. Me know.
Bitch, what?
I know I got a lot of explaining to do. Let me talk. Let me talk, no?
Why you do it, John?
Let me talk. You just come off from me, so let me talk. Yo, let me talk. Let me talk. Me sinus, them now make me talk. Let me talk, no? Hold on, no? Hold on. Hold on, no? Hold on, no?
Releasing dopamine.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Yeah, happy birthday and happy St. Patrick's Day. I know. Big up to everybody. Enough things they go on life and them thing there, and then a whole heap of sponsorship and things but usually go on, never really get for go on, and them thing them turn big man, and them thing there, and marriages and all them thing there. I miss sinus cause it. Yeah, there. I be at the river. I miss sinus cause it. You know what I mean? Yeah. And my family and all of them thing there. After I'm not show you. Anyway, peeps, all of them thing there happen. Fast forward to now. And me there try. Stop bouncing the camera now, big head. So, and then also, me there try monetize the gaming channel and all them thing there. But everything I'm telling you, are true. But guess what? I push through, we're back. So may I ask you to forgive me and all them thing there. To be honest, peeps, I was very uninspired, man. You know what I mean? My vibes broke and all them thing there. But guess what? We're there now. I'm asking you to forgive me, please. And I'm going to kick it off. So, today, we are going to touch road. Welcome back. What's up, guys? Both signers coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, why for that? Alright, why? My sinus, they are river. Still, she does love water. She play with the pig them and tie out the goat them and them thing there. So, yeah, but we're there. So, I wake up in the morning now. My sinus, baby sinus get ready for school. And then we are going on another road trip with Digital. Shout out to Digital. Sinus Gaming sponsor, you know what I mean? But happy 2024 to everybody. And just know so we have a goal, a new goal this year. And all them things there. Also, shout out to a man called J Dizzy. Yesterday was his birthday. Yeah, the 24th. Yeah, the 24th. Yeah, me never get for call him because me I try to call him and I got you the WhatsApp. My phone was acting all crazy and stuff like that, so I have to make up for that. My brother don't kill me. And then my brother pick up, you know what I mean? Man call Ford Sinus. Yeah, my brother alone down. Oh, you mean my brother the pan clean you? But anyway, peace. Let me start my chatting. I'm so happy to be back vlogging. I'm just hope that energy I just continue flow. And think me in the bathroom, I do it. And then them thing there. But it's the same me. So I'm look chim up. Now my head no ball. It dead. It no ball. Nobody worry, it's there still. But anyway, we're gonna touch the road today. Shout out to the whole Sinus Gaming crew. Peace, me there work on a bag of things for come up soon for the year. I just pray them happen. If not, we'll just go on journey with the boy. We'll just do the regular vlog them until the entertainment vlogs them come. So I apologize. So we're gonna touch the road today. We got guys hill. Yeah, we got guys hill. So guys hill we go today. So it's one ready. We're gonna touch it and go in at the bus and thing and got guys hill. Yeah man, we'll go vlog and just go and journey with the boy. I love the whole one here. Are you ready for it? Because I'm ready. Alright peeps, So we're there. But you see all them road down, you see? We're there on a place we call Devil's Race Course. Yeah man. High hill. You know what I mean? As you clearly can see when you see the precipice, a whole heap of truck and car and vehicle fly off of that. Yeah man, it's a place a whole heap of dead body. And enough people dead over here, so dangerous road, that's it. Yeah man, you climb a mountain and go high. But anyway, people, as I say, we're the on way we go. One place called Guys Hill. You know what I mean? Very dear to me because around there, so that's a part of, that's an era, a part of where my family is from, you know what I mean? In the country, because a bush with the right now, bush. So yeah, you know, the music I play and the noise in the background, so that's why I talk so close and thick. But it's a dear place to me, you know what I mean? Guys, a part of, as a youth I grew up, I go to school. One of my favorite places would be in the country, spend time with family and things. Normal Kingstonians, you know, they up and down and have fun and stuff like that. The uptown things. Yeah, I do that too, but me, boy, hold on. Me, I learn a lot from my family them in the country. And thus living the country life, you know what I mean? Outside, how to cook, how to survive, how to catch fire, how to catch janga. A whole heap of things I learn. Big up to all of my cousins them and everybody who teach me the ropes, you know what I mean? So yeah, but there I go up the hill and think, yo, I miss you, Nina. Yeah man, I miss you, I'm glad to stop vlog back. I'm not telling a lie. Me, well happy to start vlog back and think, but we're there, me run the driver, you know what I mean? We're there, I kick off. Never way I go Guys Hill and thing. You know, so yeah. When we reach and thing, we make you know, let's go and check out the sightseeing and go and journey with the boy. Let's go. Alright peeps, what going? So we're there up on the location now. This is where you call Guys Hill. You know what I mean? As me tell you, a part of my place. You know what I mean? My place this. But go get ready now. Set up the thing. And make you see what I want. You know what I mean? Yeah man, Guys Hill, my place. Yeah man, feel good for there. You know? So we're there. Set up the thing and this I go play the music. I flip this open and build the vibes and get the people them to come in. So yeah man, easy 1 and 2, 3. But all over Jamaica, all over the place. We're not gonna see what I go on. We'll kick off the vibes and things. So just go and journey with the boy. Want to start work, I'm excited you know? Yes sir!
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medicated. Ironic, I gave him love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she can wait the
Alright guys, so me there home, don't mind the noise in the background, a baby sinus and my nephew, the two rat them, a be nice them I make, hear them, somebody please feed them cheese. The sinus in the building.
Oh!
I'm not sure I so you call the land name in vain. Where is he? Hush, them have to see ugly face more time. Any vlogger with their home. It wasn't really the most exciting time. But I just do this because I just want to do it for do it sake. So just make you know say me there, me still there. I know all of my entertainment peeps I look for the entertainment vlog them. Carnival vlog. The entertainment will come. Yeah, the entertainment wanna come and me still a try work on a sponsor. Another carnival sponsor. It's not easy guys. All them sponsorship there, they're hard for me to get. For convince, when me started Sinus Gaming 7 years ago, it was the hardest thing ever. For convince these people that my thing is the future and it was before COVID. So I know that good. You know what I mean? So today I'm saying a chef up some local food for me. Hungry and thing. Yeah, more to come. Hopefully tomorrow, if all goes well, we have another little niceness. I go do what we do now and get emotionally on you. Hey people, so love. Yeah man, so all them things there. So yeah. So I go get some food. I go, yeah man, mountain of rice. The son is giving about 7 feet worth of rice. I go get ready for your live stream right now. Me nothing not change. Right in my clothes. Me I do the live. You know what I mean? Yeah, my son is well hungry there. Yeah man. Yeah man, I go do a live stream right now. And kick it off. But actually I gonna knock up that vlog here quick and fast cause it's a simple one, you know what I mean? For this make you know say my day are still. Yeah? My day are still. My day are still. Thumbnail.
Yeah, scratch record.
Maybe that music. But anyway, my day are peace. I love you very much and just look out for more vlogs from me, alright? Promise, no stopping that area. I forget the cheddar because guess what? I want to level up, level up, level up, yeah, level up, yeah man. So big up yourself. I love you guys very much. Y'all the greatest in the world. And remember that nothing can stop us. It's God that will rock. Journey with your boy. Hey.